Hello, good morning, and magandang araw sa inyo mga kapatid. I love you guys and I miss you all. So, ang reading na ito is magkaalaman na, no? Alamin natin mga kapatid ang nararamdaman, channeled message from the person on your mind. Ang taong iniisip mo. This could be exes, relationship, kapartner, current person, kahit crush lang, magkaalaman na, no? And this can be confirmed na this is the person on your mind. Guys, para lang mga kapatid, this is collective reading, general reading. Kunin nyo naman kapatid kung saan ka naka-resonate, kung hindi naman para po yun sa iba. Love, love, love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Alright. Let's find out. Let's start. Channeled message. This is the person in your mind. Sorry guys, nasa box. Naglinis kasi ako noong nakarang araw. And binalik ko sa mga boxes yung mga tarot decks ko para maging malinis naman. Alright. Channeled message from the person on their mind. How they feel right now. Situation. Red flags. 3 of mirrors. The limo. Okay. 6 of fruits. And the bottom. Butterflies. Okay. So, yes, I think you guys are, I don't know, change. Something about changes in yung sitwasyon, iba dito. And, I'm getting, guys, mga kapatid, when it comes to love life, guys, kung ayaw nyo pong manood sa mga love story, love life, channeled message, skip nyo lang reading na ito, mga kapatid, and then proceed na lang po sa ibang reading. Hindi po, I know, hindi po lahat ay naayon sa mga sinasabi ko tungkol sa love life, then skip nyo lang. And sa mga interesado dyan, thank you. Alright, guys, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo na nakakaresonate dito sa mga pinagbabanggit ko, huwag nyo lang pong lahatin. Dahil hindi po isang tao ang nanonood dito. Marami po kayong nanonood. Take what is yours here. If not, skip nyo lang para yun sa ibang mga kapatid nating nanonood din dito. Alright? So, again guys, I'm getting like when it comes to love life, especially guys, singles, for some reason, okay, may bagong darating, there will be a new person na darating dito. It's gonna be changing your situation, your perspective, your point of view. So, yeah, I'm getting like competitive. There will be like competitive, or it's gonna be competitive sa inyo, ano? I don't know, it could be like again, new lover, new person na darating, and I'm getting like a high priestess or the moon. Nakukuhanan ko yung energy na napaka-hidden or something about like misteryoso. Ang taong darating, makilala mo, it could be 3 days, 7 days, in a week, hours, 6 days. Like again, 6, 7, 3. It could be days, hours, weeks, yung iba dito. So there will be new person or competition. It could be a new person of love life or a new person na siya magiging competitive mo when it comes to relationship or sa crush mo or from the past. I'm also getting like there could ang iba dito, there could be like a new a story. Baka may masagap kang story. I'm hearing like magulantang ka sa story na ito. Maybe somebody na again baka related ito sa competitor mo, no? Competition. It could be third party. So, ingat-ingat mga kapatid, you could be dealing like a third party dito. Red flags. Lalo-lalo na when you meet a new person. So, watch out. This could be a warning iba dito. Watch out mga kapatid sa mga red flags. New person na makilala mo. If this person is like again guys, again, the moon, high priestess energy, follow your instinct. Yung pakiramdam mo, yung kutob mo. No? Itong bago makilala mo, like again, there could be new or this could be like something na masagap mo sa person mo. If this is like your person right now, no? Ang iyong kasama or like again, this is a love reading. The person that you are dealing right now, the person in your mind. Ang taong iniisip mo. Yung iba dito, baka makakasense ka na something different or something off sa person mo. So, watch out sa red flag. Alright? Like again, meron naman ditong napaka-misteryoso new person. And watch out. Baka itong tao makilala mo. Maybe this person brought so much competition. Yes, yeah. Okay, maybe you are dealing with a person na napaka good looking, maganda, malakas ang dating. Like again guys, malakas ang hatak ng taong ito. Marami nagkakagusto. It could be may pagka-celebrity type, no? Maybe this person is like a celebrity. Maybe you're dealing with a person na celebrity or boss, a manager. Something about na malakas ang energy, ano? Like a boss energy. Or kilala, no? Kilala nagmadla or sa social media. Yes, expect mo na ito mga kapatid, marami kang mga competitors, competitive. And watch out sa mga red flag. I mean, you don't have to compete the others, but like again, when you deal with somebody na marami nagkakagusto, marami nagka-admire, especially ang taong ito ay makikita sa social media. Yes, hindi lang ikaw ang may gusto or nagmamahal sa taong ito, maraming nagmamahal sa taong ito. So this could be the person on your mind right now o yung kadil ninyo. Iba naman, this could be your exes. Okay? Iniwan mo siguro ang taong ito dahil sa mga insecurities, baka ikaw tong insecure or dahil sa third party. Yeah. Or siguro until now, even if this is like an excess, yeah, like again, ikaw siguro ang iniwan or nahuli. Something about may nahuli. Nahuli mo siguro tong taong ito and ikaw itong naglayas. Iniwan mo siya. You cut off the entire situation. Hindi ka na napatumpik-tumpik pa dahil nga nasaktan ka. Dahil sa nalaman mo. Meron ditong past, meron naman current situation, or meron naman dito guys, future. Mag-ingat-ingat. Warning. Like again, nasabi ko kanina, may warning dito. Okay? So, pay attention guys. And like again, meron naman dito na bago mong makilala, misteryosong tao, there will be like a new celebration. It could be friendship. No? Baka mag-start ito sa friendship to relationship. Yung iba naman. Yes, and yeah, baka magulat ka na lang, ang taong ito ay biglang magbabalik. Like again, meron ito magbabalik. Or, it doesn't have to be, yung iba kasi dito may magbabalik, meron naman dito na returning from friendship to relationship. Magle-level up ang inyong relationship or friendship, biglang may sikretong sasabihin sa iyo, no? Sabihin natin na, I don't want to be with your friends anymore, or gusto ko na maging shota ka or maging tayo na. Maybe you are dealing with a person na napaka-competitive. Hindi nagpapahuli or wanna make sure na hindi ka mapunta sa iba. Like again guys, take what is yours here. If not, then kung wala man, wala dito nabanggit ko na resonate sa inyo, skip nyo na mga kapatid, no? Baka nga sa iba ito. So, move on na tayo. So far, this is the person that you are dealing right now. You know what? Let's get out about this. Let's get this sign. Spirit guardian, just when it comes to love reading, who is this person na hold on guys. Who is this person na kadil ng ating mga collective? Who is this person? Love reading. Who is this person na kadil ng ating person right now? Paki-confirm. Single parent. Maybe this person is a single parent, mga kapatid. Para pa mo confirm natin. Kalaban mong lalaki, like again, competitive. Yeah. Kababata. Student. Kaklase siguro. Schoolmate. Yes, again, schoolmate. Confirm, may schoolmate dito mga kapatid. You're dealing with your schoolmate. Manager. Oh, sorry. Meron kang manager dito, kaya marami nakakakilala sa kanya, admirable, kaklase na babae. Tingnan natin ito para makita ninyo. Ano pa? Ex ninyo, ex-girlfriend. Meron ditong driver, sweet lover. Like again, may lemo. So, confirm, driver, or siguro nagdadrive ang taong ito, or may sarili sasakyan, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, ito na, confirm. Ina-cut off mo na itong taong ito. Okay, kapitbahay na babae. So, maybe you didn't know guys na competitive, no? You have a competitor na competition na kapitbahay, or siguro you are dealing with a person na kapitbahay mo lang, may gusto sa'yo, naghahabol sa'yo, or wants to have a new communication. Like again guys, iba-iba ang sitwasyon nyo dito. So, Spirit Guardian Angels, what about initials, bago natin makalimutan? Spirit Guardian Angels, initials ng taong iniisip nila, confirm. This is how they're dealing right now. Feelings. Paki-confirm ng person on their mind. Okay. Alright, we have here letter L, R, W, and D, E, O. From H and U. Okay, kasi nadoble yung U pagkakuha ko bilang, okay. Biglang nag-flip yung dice. So, current situation ng person on their mind. Spirit Guardian Angels, alamin natin ang current situation ng kanilang person. Okay. So, palm tree, maybe this person live in a mainit na lugar. Okay, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Maybe this person is active. Like again, competitive. Itong taong ito, aktibo. It could be aktibo sa social media, or nasa mainit na lugar, somewhere na sa beach could be, iba dito. Like again, this could be like yung manager, yeah, high rank, coffin, ito, nag-end na. Confirm, may nag-end dito na sitwasyon. Maybe this person hindi pa nakapag-move on. Hindi pa naka-get over sa sitwasyon ninyo or sa ginawa mong pag-cut off. Cutting off situation, ghosting, I don't know. Abundance, keep positive mindset, manifest exactly what you want, gratitude and bliss. Maybe this person brought gratitude or growth. Like again, meron dito nagle-level up na relationship. Maybe your person, if you are in a relationship mga kapatid, baka may plano siya na magle-level up ang inyong relationship, or may trip, vacation. Yes, this is gonna be like a fun relationship, partnership, or this is gonna be like adventure. There will be like moving forward situation sa inyo. Pagbabago, or maybe your person is like plano na mag-trip kayo, whatever it is, like mag-date sa bundok, or long distance, I don't know, long distance, baka biglang uuwi ito. Maybe this person that you are dealing right now is the one na siyang nagsusuporta sa iyo financially, nagpapadala ng pera. Meron kasi dito makikita kayo ng taong ito, itong taong sumusuporta sa iyo, or bonding, right? Addiction. So, yeah, meron kasi dito nakapag-move on ka na. This could be related sa mga excess, cutting off. Siguro nakapag-move on ka na, but this person is obsessed. Hindi pa siya ready. Hindi pa siya totally na tanggap na wala na kayo. Like again, ito na, nakatalikod ka na, but then, meron ditong tali. Nakatali pa rin. Siguro, there could be like a situation na hindi basta-basta napuputo lang inyong situation. Maybe, ex-husband, married, hindi pa kayo totally na divorce, and you want to let go or cutting off the situation. Kaya lang, hindi basta-basta na nakakat off itong sitwasyon ninyo. Maybe dahil ang yung iba dito, there could be like kids, no? May mga batang involved, properties, business, kaya hindi basta-basta nakakat off ang inyong situation. Like again, meron dito sa inyo, moving on ka na, ayaw mo na, give up ka na. But this person is very like, still, hindi pa siya ready, still competitive. You could be dealing with a person na napaka-competitive and ayaw mo na. Dahil nga siguro sa ugali niya, Yes, again, date. New person. A new person na, I'm sorry guys ha. A new person na makilala mo wants to date you. Offer you to go out or magiging romantic ang taong ito. Like again guys, when you meet a new person, mag-imbestiga, check it out, make sure na walang red flag kasi meron itong 3 of mirrors, red flag. So, pay attention and pakiramdaman po ninyo ang inyong kutob. Huwag niyo pong baliwalain ang inyong kutob mga kapatid. So, channeled message na tayo from the person or from this person ano. Okay, I do hope so far mga kapatid ay resonate sa inyo ang nabanggit ko dito ano. Message from this person on their mind. A message, confirm message, feelings ng taong iniisip nila, kadil nila. Okay, I couldn't let you get close to me. Alright, dahil siguro may third party or dahil sa antas ng buhay ninyo, differences, pagkakaiba, dahil siguro you could be dealing with a kapitbahay, nahiya siguro itong taong ito na maging mapalapit sa'yo, dahil siguro it could be like sa friendship din ano, I think this person is like afraid kasi kung magiging close ka sa kanya, mga kapatid, baka hindi niya mapigilan ang kanyang nararamdaman. Wow. So, maybe this person is like nagpipigilan, no? Dahil nga magkaibigan kayo at ayaw niya maapektuhan ang friendship ninyo, yung iba dito. Kaya gusto niya na may boundaries din siya. Alright? And yung iba naman, maybe this person is like in a relationship. Kaya hindi pwede na maging mapalapit ka sa kanya. Yung iba naman, dahil sa status ng buhay ninyo, pagkakaiba. Maybe high rank, manager, or mayaman, or something about like sa beliefs ninyo, or sa edad, that could be the reason kaya ang taong ito ay ilag, no, na mapalapit kayong dalawa or maging close ka sa kanya. Or this could be the person na iniwan ka and yeah, and maybe this person wanted to finally cutting off the situation between the two of you. Ano pa, Spirit Angels? What else more? Maraming sitwasyon dito mga kapatid ng kukuha ko ha. So, kunin nyo lang po. We will be together again. So, again, meron dito. It could be related sa long distance. May uuwi. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to be with you. Hindi siya makapaghintay, ano? And soon, itong taong ito magbabalik. Meron itong may magbabalik, meron naman ditong may uuwi. So, yeah. Can't wait. Siguro, kausap mo ito sa social media. This could be related sa taong nagpapadala sa'yo ng text messages or chat, no? Or stability, finances support, or financial support. I know that I crossed the line with you. Yeah, so ikaw siguro itong may boundaries. So, whatever boundaries, and siguro nahiya itong taong ito, but I think this person can't hold their feelings. Hindi niya mapigilan ang kanyang feelings sa nararamdaman sa inyo, ano? Whatever it is na pinaparamdam sa iyo. Siguro itong taong ito nag-start ng magpaparamdam and nahiya siguro siya and yung iba dito is not sure yung totoong sitwasyon ninyo. Like again, overall, I want you. On the bottom, I am afraid to contact you. Natakot siya na mag-reach out sa inyo. I don't know why. Maybe this could be related sa excess cutting off. Dahil siguro sa red flag, nagawa niyang pagkakamali dahil nahulihan mo siya. Okay. Ano pa? So, gamitin natin itong bago kong oracle deck, mga kapatid. Excited na ako dito. Alright. Message, channeled message from the person. Bilisin natin ano. Okay, can you at least listen to me? Like again guys, ang taong ito ay gusto mag-explain. It's up to you guys if you want to listen, but this person really want you to listen. Makinig po kayo. Baka may mga selos-selos dito dahil sa mga competition, marami nakagusto, nakita lang nakaakba yung kapitbahay and nag-trigger na ano. So listen to your person first before you react. Okay? And being fair sometimes bring us balance and more understanding. So yes, kailangan talaga guys, give and take when it comes to the situation. So love is still there deep down our hearts, but we should definitely spend more time together. Like again, may long distance dito or wala masyadong ganap. Maybe this is like it's time mga kapatid, no? Para maggagala-gala kayo, mag-date or dinner, no? Magpunta sa beach. So yeah, something na you need to spend more time together kasi siguro lately lack of communication. Yes, kulang sa komunikasyon. Kailangan iparamdam muli na mahal ninyo ang isa't isa and you are still in the same level or magle-level up ng inyong sitwasyon. Our minds intertwine without saying out loud. So meron dito actions before, or I don't know, something about like more action, walang expression, or I don't know, expressive. Hindi masyadong expressive but through actions. No, so yeah, I don't know, something about like parang paligaw-ligaw tingin. Something like that. Kantahin, yeah, something about sa kanta, mga kapatid, I'm sorry. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, guys, they're like music, paligaw-ligaw tingin. Baka may mensahe para sa inyo dito at makaka-relate ka. Yeah, that could be your person. May crush dito. Paligaw-ligaw tingin. So, yeah. Okay, is that my negativity keeping me away from you? So, yeah, maybe this person is like putting distance. May distance sa inyo. Like again, para bang man naguguluhan. Not sure kung anong level na ba kayo, kung kayo na ba, or may kasalanan ba siya sa inyo. Yan. Naguguluhan itong person ninyo yung iba dito. What makes you stepping away? Bakit parang lumalayo yata ang kapatid ko dito? I don't know why, bakit kayo lumalayo mga kapatid. Alright, spirit, maybe this could be like a competitive, lack of communication, or third party. Mga red flags. Spirit angels. Like again guys, I think it's better to voice out, no? Pagka mga ganito na mga mga panghinala kayo, yeah, mga hinala mga kapatid, I think it's better to voice out how you feel. Para naman mag-end itong mga haka-haka, mga overthinking, no? And para magkaroon na ng direction itong sitwasyon ninyo. Ano pa, spirit angels? Message, channel message from the person. Okay. Chemistry, attraction, spark, passion. Parehas kayo nang nararamdaman ng taong ito. Alright? Could be love at first sight, or ang lakas talaga ng chemistry, kaya hindi ka makapagsalita, no? So, yeah, malakas ang hatak ng taong ito sa iyo, or energetically, yes, in lababo. Parehas kayong in lababo ng taong ito. Open heart, receptive, empathy, vulnerable. So yeah, mas nagiging vulnerable ka, mapagbigay, and siya ang kahinaan mo. Yeah, your person on your mind, siya talagang kahinaan mo. Hindi ka makapagsabing hindi. Oh, you always say, okay, I understand. Ikaw itong lagi mapagbigay. Or understanding. Ano pa, spirit ka rin dyan? Message, loyalty. So you are dealing with the person na stick to you no matter what. Kahit kahit marami pang competitors dyan, marami mang nagkakagusto sa kanya, stick to one lang ang person mo. Trusting, reliability, believing. You need to believe in yourself, mga kapatid. Kasi hindi po mag-evolve ang relationship ninyo kung walang trust, walang God. Alright? You need to believe in yourself para po, your person, no? Para po mag-level up ang inyong relationship. Okay, may movement or magkaroon ng spark. Kaya siguro nakaramdam yung iba dito na parang may off, parang dahan-dahang wala ng spark. So I think you need to go out, speak up, and have a date. Yeah, mag-date kayo, magsalita ka, para walang haka-haka, na hindi kayo na-overthink, nagtaka na lang ang partner niyo, parang lumalayo ka yata, may problema ka yata, o imbis na ikaw tumahinala sa partner mo, tuloy, parang yung person mo ang nagkaroon ng panghihinala sa'yo kasi may something sa'yo na tinatago-tago mo, hindi ka nakapagsalita or iba yung actions mo towards your person. So yeah, misunderstanding, miscommunication, I'm sorry guys. Final message sa ating mga collective. Okay, keep an open mind. So yes, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So again guys, there will be like may mapapansin ka, new changes siguro, no? Like again, may new person, you could be dealing with your soulmate. And like again guys, may mag-i-evolve dito, ano. There will be like testing yung iba dito sa inyo. Sabihin natin na makukonfirm mo talagang mahal na mahal mo yung person mo if your person stick to one. Ipagpalagay natin na may kausap siyang dalawang tao, ano. So, is your person really like into you or nakikipag-fling pa siya sa iba? May testing dito. So, follow your gut feeling. But then again, guys, maraming tao ang nagkakagusto sa person mo. You are dealing with a person na admirable, naghahabol sa kanya. Hindi lang ikaw naghahabol, but guys, even if marami naghahabol sa person mo, you need to trust your person. Stay loyal. Listen to pakinggan niyo po sila kung ano yung side nila. Huwag yung nakikita mo. Kasi iba yung nakikita mo kaysa sa nararamdaman mo. Kailangan talaga ay harap-harapan, confrontation. Yes, religious factor. Kailangan talaga the God is in between sa inyong relationship, love, family, situation. Believe in God, believe in your soulmate. Soulmate is real. And there will be like testing. Diyan mo talaga makikita, mga kapatid, na stick to one ang person mo, na hindi siya nakikipag-flirt sa iba. Although marami nagkakagusto sa kanya, sa'yo lang talaga siya at wala ng iba. Kasi you are dealing with a person na napaka-loyalty and truthful. But then again, guys, watch out. Yung iba dito, there could be like a warning. No? Yeah, 3 of mirrors. Okay, flirtation. Baka itong taong ito ay nakipag-flirt din sa iba. Like again, guys, kung hindi mo na kaya itong nararamdaman mo, yung mga haka-haka mo, it's time to directly speak up. Kausapin ang inyong person or i-confront mo siya. One more thing. Alright, love reading, spirit angels, person in their mind, child message. Ba, para maraming lumalabas dito. Okay, marami nga. Ano ba yan? Okay, ito na lang. Ano to? You're like a dream come true. Like again, guys, maybe opposite, ano? Kung itong taong ito ay marami nag-admire sa kayo, yung iba naman, marami din nag-a-admire sa inyo. The same thing. Marami din siyang competitive. Like again, you might be dealing with a competitive. Hindi din siya nagpapatalo. Kung marami nagkakagusto sa'yo, gumagawa din siya ng paraan. Making a move to take you out, dating with you, expressive. Maybe you are dealing with a person na may pagkasiloso. Alam niya na marami nagkakagusto sa'yo. So, watch out, mga kapatid, no? Baka iba ang maisip ng taong ito. So, ipakita mo rin sa kanya na loyal ka, you have loyalty towards this situation, to your person. This love is killing me. Like again, siloso. You could be dealing with a person na siloso. Even na, yung iba dito is exes, ano? You could be in a relationship na sa iba, and your exes still napakasiloso. Nagsiselo siya na may iba ka, yung iba dito. I'm only attracted to you physically. Like again, guys, third party, flirtation, user. So watch out sa mga third party, I'm sorry ha, sa mga flirtation, red flag. So watch out. Baka ang taong ito ay gusto ka lang gamitin physically and nangungulekta. So watch out. I can't believe my feelings for you. Like again, guys, this person can't believe from friendship to relationship. Mas nagbo-boost. Maybe sa work din, ano. Like again, meron kasi tayo ditong manager or schoolmate. Nakikita lang kayo and then later on, parang tumatagal, nagiging attractive ka sa taong ito. Yeah. And maybe that's why this person is like trying to put boundaries yung iba dito. Dahil natatakot siya or nahiya siya sa nararamdaman niya sa iyo. Whatever situation. So, I want to build a family with you. Like again, meron dito magle-level up. Your person is ready na mag-level up ang inyong situation, ang inyong relationship from dating to marriage. From friendship to relationship. And then, having a kids with you. Like again, iba-iba ang sitwasyon ninyo, mga kapatid. Alright, so hanggang dito, mga kapatid. I love you guys and I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito and satisfied kayo. And thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next